everybody, welcome back to Project Life Fridays. This is my second week doing this and I am excited to continue this project with you and to share my Project Life pages. So I was looking through volume 1 of my Project Life and noticed I had one last spread in April to finish, and it was the special outing with my mom and document it with the digital kits Rome. And I love how this one came out. So I'm gonna put this one together, and then on the back I have the end of April, which is just a review page, and I am gonna also share that with you. So I hope you enjoy this Project Life process video, and I'm gonna switch over to voiceover. Okay, so just like last week, I am kind of showing you my handful of digital items. I always tend to go to digital as my foundation and starting point. And it's easy to make the layout match my colors, and that's what I do in Photoshop Elements to get the colors that I want. So I'm placing the different pieces that I have. I made that green card that's today's big adventure, and I changed the background color for So Love Wandering With You, and I think I made the green lighter, but I can't remember. And then I also printed out some of the strips, the gray strips with a little flag on the end. I found some cork stars some hearts to use, and I'm just going to go ahead and use those as a dimensional embellishment for this page. I have a journaling card, and I just glued the rest of it on the back, and I might include a tab at some points, that way you know to pull it out and then you can read the rest of the journaling, but I'm not going to do that today. For the big main photo up there of the street, I put Adventure is Out There, and then I also pop jotted a geotag on the card that I had made. And I was trying to decide where to put that last little cork with my mom and the kids, and I decided just to kind of put it off to the right. I'm going to go ahead and move these pieces so that way I can get started on the back page, which is April and kind of the review page. And I'm trying to decide on a 4x6 card down at the bottom, because sometimes I like to include a little like snapshot review of our month, and that's what I decided to do for April. I'm going to go ahead and use this stamp set that I think was part of a Day in the Life kit a long time ago. And I'm going to stamp out 8, and then off camera I will fill in the stories. And then I'm also going to add in a few puffy stickers that I found and call both of these spreads done. It is that easy and that simple to get both of them done. All right, so I thought at the end I would show you how my April ending came together. I did the journaling off camera and an overview of the month and 8 different stories. And I also used some really old puffy stickers and called it done. I also wanted to mention that for May, I've already had the photos printed through Persnickety. Let me scoot the album over and I can show you. So for May, I already have all the photos printed and placed, and I also took the May Stories by the Month kit and I put in cards that I thought could work. I've subscribed to the Stories by the Month for quite some time, and I don't know if you know this, but all of the Stories by the Month for May and any month coordinate with each other. So I have 3 kits that work together to coordinate. And I'll just add in digital pieces as needed. So I put in a card there that I could use, and then I put in the cards there. This one is Week in the Life, and traditionally when I do Week in the Life spreads in my Project Life, I go with just black and white and just maybe some stamping or something like that, and no journaling. This one was a Feed Your Craft project that I did in 2019 when I was a guest designer. And then this will wrap up May. It's a 4x6 with 3 4x4s, and I am just going to do 1 card, maybe journal some, and then call it done. And then I'll be able to move on to June. So I hope you enjoyed this second Project Life Friday, and I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you are new to my channel. All right, have a great day. Bye.